Hello, and thank you for taking the time to review this quick tutorial on how to complete a Cannabis Special Events Cannabis Excise Tax Remittance form. My name is Jamie Lewis. I represent the City of Adelanto's Cannabis Compliance Unit, and I had the pleasure of meeting many of you vendors at the Kushstock event this past Saturday, July 3rd, 2021. The purpose of this form is to properly remit and document the excise taxes that are due after a cannabis special event. The current tax rate is 3%, and it's calculated on line 4 in box 1 of this form. Before we get into the calculation of the cannabis tax, we want to make sure that you properly complete the business information section of this form. It's very important that this information correspond to what you included on your business license form that was submitted to the event promoter or the City of Adelanto. You'll want to include your business name, your business license number, your business address, and the tax period. Because this is a special event, you'll simply put the date of the event. If you do not have your Adelanto business license number, feel free to email or call me and I can help with that information. Next, you'll go to box 1, which is where the tax is going to be calculated. Line 1 is the gross receipts for that period. This would be the total dollar amount earned for sales made at the event. Line 2, you're going to put a 0 because for special events, there are no adjustments. Line 3, you're going to restate line 1. And then on line 4, you're going to multiply line 3 by 0.03, which is the 3% tax rate, in order to calculate the amount due. Similar to line 2, line 5 is very rare and not likely to be completed for a special event. Therefore, please put 0. And lastly, on line 6, you're going to restate line 4, which is the amount of tax that is due. The cannabis special event taxes are due within 30 days of an event. If you do submit this later, you will need to complete box 2. And if you submit it beyond 1 month, please complete box 3. Lastly, you'll want to print your name, write your title, the date that this form is being submitted to the city, have an authorized representative sign this form, and provide the best contact phone number for any questions about the contents of this form. It's very important that you remit your excise taxes after a special event. For those who do not remit the taxes, they will be denied future participation in other cannabis special events within the city. Additionally, it can cause the denial of your local license or state permits. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial, please contact me at 760-780-8189. You can also email me at jlewis@ci.adelanto.ca.us. Again, my name is Jamie Lewis, and I thank you for taking the time to review this quick tutorial on how to complete a special event cannabis excise tax remittance form. The form can be downloaded on the city's website or requested via telephone or email, and it will also likely be provided to you by city staff at the event or via email following any cannabis-related event.